Okay, so now we're doing scale factor part 2. Okay, so now that you understand what scale factor is, now we're going to do another thing with that. So we're going to dilate this figure below using a scale factor of 3. And we're going to write the new measurements of the figure. Before I do that, I'm going to write down scale factor equals 3. And then I'm going to go jump down here where it says, what is it going to be an enlargement or reduction? So is the scale factor larger than 1 or smaller than 1? So 3 is larger than 1. So that means it's going to be an enlargement. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that. That means that my picture is going to get larger than the original. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a larger rectangle. So to find my new dimensions, all I have to do is multiply by 3. So I'm going to do 9 times 3 to get my new dimensions. I know that 9 times 3 is 27 centimeters. So now my new length to the new rectangle is going to be 27. I am going to do the same process with the width. So my original is 4, and I'm going to do 4 times the scale factor, which is the 3. So 4 times 3 is 12 centimeters. So my new dimensions are going to be 27 centimeters by 12 centimeters. So basically 27 by 12. Okay. So the numbers did get larger because my scale factor is larger than 1. So I want you to write down this little formula, if you will. So if you are looking for the new dimensions, you're going to do scale factor times the original is going to give you your new. So I write SF for scale factor. So this is going to maybe help you if you're trying to find the new dimensions. All right, let's look at section or example 2. So this time we're going to dilate by a scale factor of 1/2. We know that 1/2 is the same thing as 0.5 or 50 cents. I know that number is smaller than 1. So I know that my new triangle is going to be a reduction. It's going to be a little smaller. So because I know it's going to be smaller, I'm going to go ahead and draw a smaller triangle. And remember, when we're dilating, we're always going to multiply. It doesn't matter if my scale factor is bigger or smaller than 1. Okay, so I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to get my original, and I'm going to multiply that times 1/2. I'm going to do 6 times 1/2, which is 3. 4 times 1/2, which is 2. 10 times 1/2, which is 5. So those are going to be my new dimensions for the triangle. Now I need you to go and do example 3 and put it in your Google form.